In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all watch later videos on YouTube. So you'll need to go here and open your YouTube applications. And of course, as an example, let's first of all make some videos watch later. So I'm just going to this guy or to this video and I'm just going to save it. And of course, I'm saving it to watch later. And I'm going to another video like this. So this video as example, I'm just going to click on save and yeah, it's saved to watch later. So let's just go to this one example again. Let's just go here and save for save later. Now, just going back. And of course, we want to remove those stuff. Of course, when you just save something, you'll find this change button. They'll tell you, oh, if you want to change something, but we don't care about that. So you'll have to go to U, as example, at the bottom left, you'll find this U. In here, if you scroll down as example, or no need to scroll down like too much, you'll find here your playlist. If you go and click on view all, you'll find watch later. So you want to delete all the watch later videos. Of course, you cannot do it automatically, like delete them all. You'll have to click on that list. And as you can see, you'll find here the list that you have on watch later. Of course, if you did watch some videos and you want to remove them, you can simply just go and click on the three dots at the top and then click on remove watched videos. This will remove the watched videos. If anything is still there, just go to the three dots and click on remove from watch later. And it should be removed. And you'll have your watch later free of videos. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.